What's up, everybody? Welcome back to DIY Dell. Today we are at Midwest Gaming Classic. There's board games here, there's arcade games, there's going to be a lot of sellers selling games and stuff. We got our wristband already, so I'm super hyped for today. So let's go. All right, everybody, we're at the vendor floor. This is the second floor, so it's a huge room, lots to collect. And this is only the first half of it. All right, so they got cars at the convention too. So this is the car from Knight Rider, and it's the talking car too that the main character uses to go around. So if you come over here, all the display pretty much matches up. It looks like a car from the future. The steering wheel, it's all pretty accurate. All the displays in there. So coming around to the back, you got the spoiler and the iconic Knight license plate. Yeah, really slick looking car. It looks just as good on the shows as it does in real life. And first game on the shopping list, Dante's Inferno for the Xbox 360. I saw the trailer for this like a long time ago, and it looked really cool. And I was like, well, what is this about? So I'm gonna try it out because I got an Xbox One at home. So first score.
Yeah, if you just run all the way over the right, it'll take you to the main part of the game.
Oh, that is cool. This is the original Batman car. Yeah, the shape looks exotic. It's a really cool model. Yeah, all of Batman's gadgets are in there. Yeah, wouldn't it be fun to take this thing out for a spin? With all this walking around, it's time to take a break. They got smoothies here. And this is the Hawaiian Dreamsicle, so orange, mango, and banana. Oh, no way! They got open season for the PlayStation 2. This is an LED name tag badge. So I chose to get my Twitch name on it, just because I thought that'd be cool. And a red LED badge with it too.
Wow.
And you already know what this is. It's the Ghostbuster Mobile. Yeah, loaded out with the ghost-busting machine on top. Yeah, and they had a little Wisconsin flair to it too. This is the Jeep from Jurassic Park. How cool is that? Yeah, and they've got, of course, have the shaving cream in there. It is pretty decked out. Yeah, they got information about the car there. And we have this version too. It says here in the Jurassic Park novel, the tour vehicles were Toyota Land Cruisers. That's cool. Like that one I obviously recognize from the movie. Most people would. I did read the book version of Jurassic Park. It's way different. Yeah, Michael Crichton's The Lost World in there. Yeah, let's take a look at the back, just get a full view of it. Yeah, up on here they got some more Jurassic Park stuff. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. It's the Wayne's World car. See, look at how tiny this thing is. Super old school, super classy though.
It's got a distinct smell. Oh, they have the mats in there too. What do you think of it?
That is cool.
Car.
And it's built in Kenosha. How cool. That's so neat. All right, second floor is the game room. There's lands here. As you can see, it goes way, way, way down there. So people make their own games to submit, and they set up stands so that people can play them. I got Star Wars, Guitar Hero. There's a rock climbing wall down there. What is that about? We got Super Smash Brothers up on that screen there. Yeah, in fact, I see some rhythm games. There's Guitar Hero here. Some older titles. Yeah, it's just as big as the first floor. Crazy. Oh, what do we do?
I guess we move on. Oh, Meatball! False alarm.
Where it went? Oh no. Oh, look at that. Oh, dang. Oh, turn around. Face the guy. There we go. Guy, throw a grenade at you.
You did it. You're a winner. Well, how does it feel to be a winner?
Feels great. Look at this. It's VR Godzilla.
What do you think of it?
So you sit in a little car there, and you have a VR. Yeah, so they're just shooting stuff like crazy. So I got 5 million so far.
Is that good?
I think so. Oh yeah, so it released my ball. Oh, get up! Go! Oh, we got 2 balls now. Oh, this is scary. Oh, I'm gonna lose one. Oh, it's safe. Oh, let's go! Come on! Up there. Oh, we had 3! Oh no. Yeah, we gotta try that again. What if we got a DIY Dell pinball machine?
What would be on it?
It would be me, Dell, probably Dirk. Oh no.
What about the shed? The grandfather clock?
Yeah. The Oreos probably. All right, time for some Simpsons arcade action. Whoa. I want to keep jumping just so they don't hit me. And it seems to work. Is this guy in the show or something?
He might have been in an episode where there's wrestling involved. You gotta beat the first ball.
There we go. I was literally 3 punches away from getting him.
First levels of The Simpsons, how does it feel?
Good. I'm really Bart Simpson. It's real. You think there are people that got addicted to this game back in the day?
I think so.
Like they just couldn't stop playing The Simpsons.
It's a lot of quarters.
All right, so they have the Cybertruck here that you can sit inside and actually get a feel for it. All right, so we're sitting in the back of the Cybertruck here. So the trunk design, it's got a normal open and close style trunk right here, but the cover slides in and out over here on these rails.
And then you got your power for charging things. You look tiny in there. See if you can lay down. Does it have enough room to lay?
Yeah, it's huge.
right, let's check out the inside then.
Alright, let's actually try it.
That's our little buddy.
Oh!
I don't know how to get you. It's all powered through the other thing.
Oh, probably through the front?
Yeah. All right, let's go this way.
Oh, and sure enough.
Look at the ceiling. It's all glass.
Yeah.
Then that's where you were
I think
before.
I don't think this is solar. I think it's an option.
And then you can power up the fans. So there's the cameras and stuff.
So they got more room under the seats. It's not like the seats are on the floor.
Yeah, they're
They got a lot of
underneath
room
there.
to kick out back here. And they got a single window to look in the back of the trunk.
And then you got your stereos right there.
This is so sick. Yeah, the windows go up and down.
I think they're tinted too.
Definitely a lot bigger than my car. That's for dang sure. Scott Pilgrim saved the world. To the right up there.
Meatball, who's that?
Oh no. It's Nick.
Nick. What happened to him? Where are you?
Yeah, so this is the roleplay room. So as you can see, we have costumes. We got a fancy dining table here. Bro, they got D&D for real. These. Then you do like a staff. That's sick. Yahtzee.
Good roll, good roll, good roll.
Yahtzee! Oh, 3 threes?
I don't think they were playing Yahtzee back then.
Like,
But.
no. Another 3?
All right, last roll.
Come on. Big 3, big 3. And that's how the game is played. All right, I'm gonna suit up. We're gonna be fighting with some lightsabers today. Or at least a mock version of them.
That's our little buddy. Meatball's getting suited up in the back. Meatball's prepping up.
That was fun. It's a lot of, blocking. I think I'm getting better at that. And just being able to just take advantage of the right moment and you go in and you win. That's what matters. Yeah, I thought I had a good stance. I thought I thought I did good. It was fun.
Would you do it again?
Yes, absolutely.
Is it kind of like what you expected?
It's kind of what I expected, but it's like way more than what I expected. Like just more games, more stuff. Because there's still another floor to it. There's a lot of vendors. Already got some stuff. You got pretty much every game you could think of. Pretty much any nerd's hobby you can find here. This is heaven. They even got open season for the PlayStation 2, so you can't beat that at all.
Oh, this one looks cool. This Road Runner game.